Hello, welcome to the Scottsdale ReVISION House. Hi, my name is Susan Raterman, and I am an occupational and environmental health consultant.
And I'm Steve Easley. I'm a building science consultant, and my work focuses on helping builders use the best sustainable building practices. In the Scottsdale ReVISION House, because it originally started out as a remodel, my role was the general contractor, as well as participated obviously heavily in design, as well as a lot of the building science features that went into the home.
My responsibilities in designing and building the ReVISION home were to work on material selection first and foremost. And by that, I mean selecting materials with the lowest VOC content or no VOC content, selecting materials that were certified for use in healthy homes, selecting materials also that were aesthetically pleasing and all meshed together. My other big role in the house was the coordination of all things indoor air quality related. That included working with the indoor air quality monitoring system, as well as the filtration that was chosen for the energy recovery ventilators, and also making sure that the products we selected from the get-go had as low as possible of a chemical burden on the home.
All the products that we selected were products that we knew or had experience with. We looked at these products in terms of not only the manufacturing processes, but more importantly, how will it fit this particular project. Our value of the walls, for example, are our 35 walls. We have exterior foam insulation as well as interior foam insulation. And of course, the spray foam helps the home be very airtight. The exterior insulation, which is a board type product, has the ability to reduce that thermal bridging that takes place to the exterior of the building envelope.
It was important for us when we chose materials and furnishings and finishings in this house to look at the manufacturers and to qualify them as to their environmental consciousness. Everything from how they treat their workers, their health and safety programs, so that their workers are not exposed to hazardous materials, to limiting the use of hazardous materials in their manufacturing process, to choosing sustainable measures to be better corporate citizens. We chose to partner with Organized Living because of the sustainability of their product. But just from a practical standpoint, our pantry is adjustable. As our life changes, we can modify that pantry. We put it together and said, oh, well, maybe I want my spice rack a little lower or a little higher. And the system accommodates that. I'm the type of person that if I can't see something, it's not going to be used. And these closets, both the primary bedroom closet and the pantry, allows me to see everything I have. Former houses had small closets tucked everywhere, so once you put something away, you might not see it for 3 years.
Well, of course, I think an important part of having this more stress-free life is being able to be organized. And so what we liked about the Organized Living closets is that they look like built-in closets, but yet you can actually install them yourself. So they're very user-friendly and they look great. We've done 3 Vision House projects with Green Builder magazine. We do these projects to basically educate the industry about best building practices for building homes that are more durable and long-lasting, more resilient, healthy to live in, as well as super energy efficient.
This project is so important to us because we are both educators, and we feel that it's our responsibility to educate builders, architects, engineers, and homeowners how a really aesthetically beautiful house can still be environmentally friendly.
About 40% of all greenhouse gas emissions come from the built environment, and about half of that comes from our homes. So anything we can do to make our homes more energy efficient is going to reduce, obviously, greenhouse gas emissions.